Mille RM6701 automatic winding extra flat watch with caliber CRMA6. Scrutinized automatic winding movement with hours, minutes, date and functions indicators. Power reserves around 50 hours. Function indicator in a manner similar to a car's gearbox. The function indicator makes it possible to identify the winding, date setting and hand setting position as the crown is pulled out. The active position is indicated via a hand at 2 o'clock displaying the following functions: winding, date and hand setting, winding display W, date display D and hand setting display H. Movement characteristics are movement dimensions 29.10 by 31.25 mm, thickness 3.60 mm, number of joules is 25, balance cube forearms 4 settings, screws, moment of inertia is 7.5 mg cm square and angle of lift is 50 degree. Frequency is 28,800 vph 4 Hz. Balance spring AK3. Shock potential in cab lock 908.22.211.100 transparent. Movement microblasted anglage, macroblasted milled sections, macroblasted sink, grey and black electroplasma treatment for the base plate, hand draw after treatment, steel pots, lap and polished ends, burnished pivots, post faces, polishes, hand polished beveling, hand polished locking sections, wheels concave chamfering with a diamond tool, diamond polished angles, circular finish faces, rhythm plating before cutting the teeth. Minimal corrections applied to the wheels in order to preserve geometry and performance.